Improving your Semrush site audit is crucial for optimizing your website's performance and increasing its online visibility. To begin, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Site Audit tool. This tool analyzes your website's technical and content issues, providing recommendations for improvement. First, set up your site audit by entering your website's URL and selecting the audit type, either a full or a crawl. Choose the full audit for a comprehensive analysis or the crawl audit for a faster analysis of your website's structure. Next, Semrush will analyze your website and provide a list of issues, categorized as errors, warnings, and notices. Errors are critical issues that need immediate attention. Warnings are issues that may impact your website's performance. And notices are suggestions for improvement. To improve your site audit, start by addressing the errors, such as broken links, duplicate titles, and missing meta descriptions. Fixing these errors will significantly improve your website's technical performance in search engine rankings. Then, focus on resolving the warnings, such as slow page loading speed, mobile usability issues, and duplicate content. Optimizing your website's page speed and ensuring it is mobile-friendly will enhance user experience and improve search engine rankings. Finally, review the notices and implement the suggestions, such as optimizing images, internal linking, and header tags. These improvements will further enhance your website's performance in search engine rankings. To ensure ongoing improvement, schedule regular site audits and track your progress over time. This will help you identify new issues and measure the effectiveness of your optimization efforts. By following these steps and implementing the recommendations provided by Semrush, you can significantly improve your website's technical and content performance, increase its online visibility, and drive more traffic and sales. Regularly monitoring and improving your website's performance is essential for staying competitive in the digital landscape.